Alright, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a city that you think is very interesting. Please.
Pakistan is a beautiful country. All cities of my homeland is famous for the specifics. Some cities were famous because of their historical monuments, and some cities were famous because of their modern architecture. And there are also some cities which were famous because of their beauty, as they were in between mountain valleys. Here I would like to tell you about the most interesting city which I found in my homeland. It is Multan. It is mostly my favorite city because there are many historical monuments there. Many researchers had researched there, and they write articles on this city. And I also found the city is very interesting because there are tombs of saints there. There are tombs of saints there. I think it is very interesting city to research, to know about our history and how our saints lived their life in past.
Alright, 55 seconds. You got a number of different issues. First of all, your topic is present one. Describe a city that you think is very interesting. When you started your answer, you used cities were, some cities were this, some cities were that. So you should avoid that. Use present tense and come to the topic immediately. After that, you mispronounced certain words. The word is not tomb. We pronounced it as tomb. Tomb. And the word is not saints. The word is saints. There are, and by the way, for saints, it's a good idea to use the word shrine. Saints don't have tombs. Tombs are like kings and queens. They have tombs, right? For the grave of saints, we use the word shrine. Like we have the shrine of Hazrat Ali Hajweri Rahmatullah Alayhi in Lahore. We call it shrine. Shrine. So these type of irregularities are there. And try to speak for more than a minute. You stopped at 55 seconds, right? Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Why do some people like to visit historical places?
Many people like to visit historical places because visiting historical places tells us about our history, and we would know that how our forefathers lived their lives. So that's why I think.
Okay, just try to add a little more to it, okay, and you'll be fine.
Thanks.
Thank you.